Hi, it's DHeaton5. Today I'm going to make a little tutorial on how to, and this is for Patrick.nedz. His problem with his computer is he said that his backlight is not as bright as it's supposed to be. Well, Patrick.nedz, Patrick, I have a solution for that. In a recent comment, I told you to go ahead and create a new user account and to transfer all your files and settings over. Well, and you asked me, how do you do that? How do you transfer documents, photos, pictures, favorites, all that other junk? So that is what I'm going to show you today. First of all, you're going to want to go ahead and create a new user account. To do that, you're going to start Control Panel. And you're going to click on User Accounts and Family Safety, or if you have the Classic view, it is going to say User Accounts. So go ahead and get into your user account settings. Next, if you only have one user on here, it's going to bring up the administrator user. Go ahead and right here, click on Manage Another Account. And next, it's going to ask you to choose the account you would like to change. Go ahead and down here below the box, you'll see Create a New Account. Go ahead and click on it. For this one, I'm just going to name David2. And you can either choose to be an administrator or a standard user. I'd recommend being an administrator, but since I'm just doing this and I'm probably going to delete it right after the video, I'm just going to go ahead and be a standard user. Go ahead, click on Create Account. Alright, next it's going to go ahead and create you as a standard user. Go ahead and minimize that. You don't have to customize all your user account pictures and passwords now. You can do that later on. And since I've only got 10 minutes to make this video. Next, go ahead and double click on My Computer, or Computer as they call it in Vista. And then go ahead and click on your local disk. It's usually disk C in most computers. And next, go ahead and you'll find a folder in there. It says Users. Go ahead and double click on that. Okay, this is not weird. This is not right. Hold on one second, y'all. Okay, I'm back. What I figured out, in order to, it's called activating the account, you have to go ahead and, once you create it, log on to it one time, and then log back off, and that just basically, personalizes the desktop and modifies the settings, so the administrator account can modify it. So after you create it, log on to it, and then log off of the new account. Next, go back to, your user's account, which again, you double click on Computer, go to your local disk, and you'll find a folder that says Users. And then you will have your new account in there, and just to prove to you that mine's in here, here it is, David2. So I'm going to double click on that. Alright, next, once you're in the new user account, you'll have your main folders, contacts, desktop, documents, yada yada yada. Patrick.nedz, all I can recommend to you right now is just, if you want to transfer your documents, and documents, select all of it, copy it, and paste it to the documents folders in your new user. Same with your favorites. If you go ahead and click on Start menu, you'll have something that says Favorites here. Right click it, click on Open. Here you are with all your favorites and everything. And again, just highlight all the ones you want to transfer and go into Favorites here. Same with music and pictures, any saved games you have, searches, videos, whatever you got to do. All the stuff you need to transfer, just go ahead and use that. That's the only way I can do it without logging on to another user. And that's probably the fastest way. My recommendation, do not cut and paste the files. Just copy them. And then keep the ones that you have on this desktop already. And then go ahead and also keep this user account. Because in case something's wrong and you need to transfer another file over, you can go ahead and do that easily. And so it doesn't screw your computer and you lose all your files. So go ahead and keep your original account that's not working, that you said the backlight's going in. Log on to a new account that you've created, transfer all your, or log off, transfer your crap, and then use that as your new account. And if they keep the old account just in case something else happens. That is my recommendation. Again, this is DHeaton5, YouTuber. Thank you.